So what's up guys? This is James Afante, also known as Kuy James and now James 3.0. And today, I'm reviewing something na honestly, hindi ko ine-expect na ganito kalakas ang tama sa akin. This is the Anti-Gravity A1 drone made by Insa 360. And by the way guys, I'm also a licensed drone pilot. I fly DJI, the Mavic series, the Inspire series, name it guys, lahat ng mga sikat at kilala na yung drones na testing ko na. Pero this drone made me realize something na ibang-ibang klase about what drones can actually be. And I'll tell you that realization later in this video. And oh, by the way guys, meron tayong announcement ng winner ng Nubia Air guys in this video. So stay tuned until the end. Mali mo, ikaw ang panalo. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuy James, and now James 3.0. Let's go! So, unang-unang napansin ko guys, yung form factor ng drone na to guys. Compared sa mga modern drones right now guys, this one is noticeably more compact. As in, legit guys pwede mo siyang dalhin kahit saan na wala kang na-experience hassle. Yung bag niya guys actually napakalit lang. Hand carry friendly, flight friendly. Hindi siya yung tipong, ay ang bigat, wag na lang natin siyang dalhin. Kaya kung nakapag-travel ka na ng drones before, for sure guys, alam mo kung gaano to ka-importante. This is the type of drone na dadalhin mo talaga at hindi mo talaga siya iiwan kasi sobrang solid talaga niya. Now, let's talk about the footage. This drone shoots at 8K guys 8K at 30 frames per second. And honestly guys, nagulantang ako dito sa drone na to. Ang vibrant ng colors, napaka-immersive, hindi siya mukhang cheap drone. Actually, hindi naman talaga cheap tong drone na to. So, yes, wala siyang log profile and I do wish na meron sana sila sa mga future versions nito. Pero kahit wala yun, straight out of the camera, I can tell ang ganda na agad. For most people, hindi naman nila kailangan mag-color grade, shoot lang, enjoy lang. Now, let's talk about battery life guys. This is another surprise. Usually, pag first generation drone, mahina or mabilis malobat ang battery. Pero with the high capacity battery guys na kasama guys ng drone na to guys, nakakakuha ako ng around 25 minutes of actual They claim this as 39 minutes flight time, but based on my experience guys, around 25 minutes. And meron pa siya natitirang 10 to 15% in the battery. And honestly guys, that's already perfect. Reminder lang guys na hindi recommend i-drain ang mga lithium batteries guys. So dapat around 25% pa lang guys, as much as possible, pa-landing na po kayo. Kasi once na na-drain po guys ang mga lithium batteries, katulad ng anti-gravity drone guys, nakakasira po yun ng mga tinatawag nating mga lithium cells. In real world use, I can say naman na solid ang flight time ng anti-gravity A1 drone. Now guys, the remote guys. Ito, this is my first time flying a drone using a gun type trigger na controller. And as a licensed drone pilot, aaminin ko, hindi ako fan nito at the first, no? So sanay ako gamitin yung dalawang joystick guys na pang DJI guys na drone. Pero habang ginagamit ko siya guys, dun ko na-gets kung bakit ganito ang naging design ng drone na to. This remote is made to make drones na, I can say hear me out, literally, mas accessible sa lahat. Hindi mo kailangan maging pro, hindi mo kailangan ng years of experience. I can say guys trust my words, this is 10 times literally much easier gamitin para paliparin compared sa mga traditional drones out there. This is for the people na gusto lang lumipad at mag-enjoy. Now, this one guys. Ito yung pinaka-importanting part guys ng anti-gravity drone. The application itself. Karamihan ng drones right now guys, mataas ang learning curve guys. Kaya actually, mas mahal po mag-hire ng mga drone pilots katulad po namin kasi kailangan mo talagang aralin kung paano makuha yung perfect shot habang lumilipad ka. It takes a lot of practice and a lot of skill. Pero dito guys, baliktad ang concept. Habang pinapalipad mo to guys, as long as nakikita mo yung subject, either nasa harapan, nasa likod neto, nasa gilid, left or right, you can be literally careless. Hindi mo na kailangan isipin yung framing, yung yaw, yung pitch, yung roll, lahat. You just fly and enjoy the experience. Tapos later, using the mobile or desktop application, dun mo na pwedeng piliin yung perfect angle. Yun yung sinasabi nilang frame it later. So parang you're hitting two birds in one stone. Number one, na-enjoy mo na yung experience guys ng pagiging drone pilot. Number two, nakukuha po yung shot na gusto mo. This is actually huge. It lowers the barrier for people who want amazing shots without the technical stress. Now naman guys, the goggles, grabe. Honestly, just look at that. Ang astig niya guys tignan. Para siyang sci-fi game toy, para siyang VR for future vibes. Pero hindi lang siya guys actually forma or kaangasan guys ha. Meron siyang tinatawag natin mga adjustable lenses here guys na pwede mong i-position left and right. Adjustable positioning at the same time guys, even guys yung grado neto pag pinit mo ilalim neto, adjustable. And even yung fit neto guys, also adjustable. So kahit sinong gumamit, walang problema. And here is the crazy part guys ha. Pag suot mo to guys, tong goggles na to guys, yung friend mo usually guys, di ba pag naka-goggles, hindi niya nakikita yung nasa loob neto. So curious talaga sila. Habang suot mo siya guys, pwede makita guys ng friend mo guys kung ano yung nakikita mo guys sa loob neto dito sa screen na to mismo. Like, how cool is that? Like, grabe. Like, what you experience, you can literally share the experience live sa mga kaibigan mo para magyabang ka. And the battery guys, napakaangas. Sinusuot mo lang siya like a lanyard para hindi siya maging pwedeng pabigat sa ulo kasi guys, yung mga ibang FPV drone, nilalagay guys sa either sa gilid or sa likod ng strap. Hindi mo na siya kailangan ilagay sa bulsa para yung bulsa mo magamit mo for your phone or other accessories. So, hindi na siya sagabal. So, I can say it's really super convenient. Another thing I love about this specific drone guys is the replaceable lens itself guys. Dahil dito hindi ako natatakot na i-push yung drones to the limits. Hindi ako natatakot dumaan sa mga masisikip guys na lugar kasi alam ko guys kung sakali mang may mangyari sa drone na to guys, alam ko namang matibay siya pero syempre guys dahil glass to, nababasag to. Pero kung may mangyari man guys, ang kinagandaan sa drone na to, replaceable po yung lens niya. So plus again yung build quality nito, ramdam mo talaga guys na a big company actually really made this, which is specifically Insta360. So I can say, matibay, matapang, which is actually a confidence booster when flying drone. Now guys, eto na yung tinatawag kong realization ko. Kasi literally guys, may na-realize ako guys nung ginagamit itong drone na to. No joke guys ha, hindi sa binibentahan ko kayo guys ha, pero totoo may na-realize ako. So usually, sanay tayo guys na drones are actually tools, no? Parang it's a professional tool to a lot of cinematographers katulad po namin, pang trabaho, pang travel shots, and even mga pang professional vlogs. So ito yung tinatawag natin bird's eye view lang. Pero this drone, I can say guys ha, hindi siya traditional. This drone doesn't just record a place, it actually elevates the experience of being there. Most drones guys are actually stuck sa tinatawag nating 16:9 ratio. Yun yung parang rectangle, which is parang katulad ng video na to guys. So limited lang yung pwede mong makita. Kaya yung tinatawag natin guys, limited angles. Pag limited ang angles, it provides a limited feeling. But here guys, sa drone na to guys, walang limit. Flying through bridges or even under structures, from the clouds, between spaces, literally guys, para kang ibon, para kang agila. And the best part guys again guys, because this is an anti-gravity A1 drone, you can literally share the experience guys. Even though ikaw lang may hawak guys ng remote, and even guys literally guys so expect mo, syempre pag gagamitin ko siya, ako magsusuot nito, ako magagamit nito guys. Hindi guys pwedeng ikaw may hawak ng remote, tapos yung friend mo ang may suot ng goggles. So they will look around, they react, they get goosebumps. So tas ikaw naman pinapalipad mo to guys, depende kung saan mo siya gusto. So hindi ka lang actually fly ng drone, no? Nagbibigay ka pa ng experience sa mga tropa pips mo para sikat ka. Honestly guys, this drone made me feel like a kid again. Yung unang drone ko, yung unang excitement guys na alala ko, pinaka-ever first drone ko guys is the DJI Spark. Ibang klase yung saya. And for this specific drone, na-experience ko ulit yung saya na yun. Like legit, solid talaga siya, promise. Hindi siya stressful, no? So hindi siya technical, hindi siya sobrang seryoso. I can say like, para siyang toy, it's literally pure joy lang. So the biggest question of all guys, and I'm sure no, gandang-ganda ka na sa drone na to. Para kanino ba ang anti-gravity A1 drone made by Insta360? So for me guys, it's for the people who actually want an experience, hindi lang footage. Again guys who also want an experience of a place kung nasaan man kayo, hindi lang mga pictures. And the same time, para sa mga drone pilot guys hear me out. I'm also a professional drone pilot who worked with ABS and GMA sa mga teleserye before. Again, para sa mga drone pilot na gustong makaramdam ulit guys ng enjoyment o para maging bata ulit sila sa paglilipad ng drone. And this part of the video guys, eto na po. So last time gumawa tayo guys ng video about the Nubia Air guys na napakalupit at one of the best-selling smartphones of 2025 until Q1 to Q2 of 2026 guys. In this video, I will announce the winner. So ilalagay natin siya sa baba guys. If you see this account or kung ikaw man ito guys, congratulations sa'yo. You can message our Facebook page, Kuya James Afante with blue check mark to claim your prize. Just prove your identity guys. So again, marami pa tayong mga giveaways guys na gagawin. Every video ginagawa sa YouTube account na to guys, meron tayong giveaway na ginagawa. So for some reason, hindi ko muna pamamigay ito guys, but marami pa tayo guys mga nakapilang giveaway. So abangan niyo guys. So make sure nakasubscribe kayo and turn on the notification bell para updated kayo guys. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuya James. Happy New Year guys sa inyong lahat. And now, James Tipeno. I'll see you guys in the skies.